Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add funny sound effects on CapCut. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, we need to make sure CapCut app is downloaded and installed on our phones. If not, just go to Play Store or App Store and search for CapCut Video Editor and have it installed in your phone and updated. Now, before we open CapCut, first fire up your Chrome browser and search for free funny sound effects. Enter to open it. This will open this site with all these links. Click on this one from Pixabay. This treasure trove of free sound effects is incredibly handy. Once you're on the site, you'll find a range of options. Everything from images and illustrations to vectors, videos, and music. Since we're after sound effects, go ahead and select that option. Let's say you're on the hunt for a funny love sound effect. Enter funny into the search bar and explore the assortment of humorous and laughter-inducing sounds. Click on the download button to save your chosen sound effect. With your sound effect downloaded, open up the CapCut app and go to your project. To add the new sound effect, tap on the Audio tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the sound option, then choose From Device to locate your downloaded file. Once you find it, tap the plus button to add it to your project. Position and adjust the sound effect to match the timing of your funny clip or scene. Voila! You've effortlessly enhanced your video with the perfect sound effect. Yeah, that's how to add funny sound effects on CapCut. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.